Call of Duty Black Ops controller gamepad not working fix. Issue. Controller or gamepad not detecting, not working on PC. Step 1. Restart your PC and controller. Disconnect the controller completely. Restart your computer properly. Reconnect the controller before launching the game. Step 2. Check controller connection. Use a working USB cable. Try another USB port on the PC. Avoid damaged or loose controller cables. Step 3. Enable controller in Steam. Open Steam settings. Go to Controller General Controller Settings. Enable Xbox or PlayStation controller support. Step 4. Update controller drivers. Open Device Manager in Windows. Find Xbox or HID controller drivers. Update drivers and restart the PC. Step 5. Disable Steam input temporarily. Right-click Black Ops in Steam Library. Open Properties. Controller. Set Steam input to disable and test again. Step 6. Check in-game input settings. Open Black Ops controller settings. Change input device from keyboard to controller. Apply settings and restart the game. Step 7. Close background controller apps. Disable DS4 windows or remapping tools temporarily. Close Xbox Game Bar overlays. Turn off unnecessary controller software. Step 8. Verify game files. Open Steam or Battle.net launcher. Use Verify integrity of game files. Repair corrupted or missing files automatically. Step 9. Update Windows. Open Windows Update settings. Install all pending updates. Restart the computer after installation. Step 10. Reinstall controller drivers. Remove controller from Device Manager. Disconnect and reconnect the controller. Let Windows reinstall fresh drivers automatically.